Welcome to another hair hack video. Take your hair, divide it in the form of a half ponytail, take the lower section, tie it again in the form of a ponytail, then divide the lower section into two and you are done. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail from above, then divide it into two parts and then make plaits out of them just like this. Tie it in the lower section and you are done. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail into two sections and then divide both the sections into two equal halves. Then while making the halves of the ponytail, make another half and tie all the halves together in the form of plaits. The next hairstyle is kind of similar to the previous one, only the difference is to make plaits out of all the parts of the hair just like this. Baby hairs are very small, so you should be very careful about it. Now take your hair, again tie plaits of the upper section, tie the lower section along with the plaited part again in the form of plaits, and it should look like 3 layers of hair. Roll it upwards, tie it and bend it a little. Take your hair, tie the upper section again in the form of a rubber band, tie the lower section again and then tie the lower section again in the form of plait. First take the upper section of the hair, tie it in the form of plaits, then roll it downwards, tie it again and then divide it into 4 sections, give it a fluffy look and then you are done. Take your hair, tie it again in the form of a 3-layered ponytail just like this, and when you are done making the ponytail, make sure that your hair look windy and your hair is bent a little. Next hairstyle is very easy. You just need to make plaits out of the two parts of your hair just like this, and when you are done making the plaits, tie all the parts of the hair together, bend it a little and then you are done. Take your hair, divide it into two parts, make the first part in the form of plaits, let the upper few parts of the hair loose. Now tie the lower part again in the form of plaits and then you are done. Take your hair, tie it again in the form of plait and then roll the plaits downwards along with the ponytail. All the hairstyles are kind of similar, just the plaits and the ponytails and some of the decorative items so that your hair looks classy from behind. Some hairstyles may be very complex, you just need to follow the step. The kids' hair are very small, so you should also be considerate so that they don't feel any pain. Thank you for watching.